Please give salmon farming the bird. This is Loch Duart, Ryan trade in Loch near Karlskew, north of Ullapool. Look at this bird, it looks as if it's been dead here for a while. Yeah, the workers, maybe they were too busy watching Scotland get beat by Morocco to care about this bird, but this is unnecessary suffering. This has just been left to hang. We've also got dead fish here. This is a torture chamber for farm salmon. Got dead fish, dead birds. This is Loch Duart. Read the report by the Green Britain Foundation on bird mortalities, herons, seagulls, rooks, ravens, host of birds killed in salmon farms. We need to give salmon farming the bird. This is June 2026 at Loch Duart. This is a deadly salmon farm.